Man, what up, YouTube? We got another review for y'all, man. We got that Wild Orchard HHC-R+ delta8 disposable 2 grams. Some of that cherry cough, man. Y'all gotta love it, bro. Wild Orchard, man. We finna review this one. Check it out. All right, I'm mad steps ahead of y'all, but I got it out the packaging. I'm coughing already. I took a hit too, but I got it out the packaging. It was like this, you know, but boom, we finna take some ribskis. Y'all ready? Come on now. Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, it's got some nice flavor. I like that. Ooh yeah, check this one out, y'all.